Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the third match in the best of three quarterfinals, and the scores are Titchfield High on 25 and Old Harbour High on 23. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from biology. What is the name of the instrument used in a laparoscopy to look at the abdominal organs? Old Harbour.
Endoscope.
Endoscope.
Incorrect. Laparoscope. English language. Give a 7-letter verb starting with S, which means a half-suppressed, typically scornful laugh.
Snicker.
Old Harbour.
Snicker.
Snicker.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the formula for vanadium 2 oxide? Old Harbour.
V2O5.
V2O5.
Incorrect. VO. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the composer of this classical piece. Giacomo Puccini. General knowledge. There are 2 fictional island nations that appear in the first part of the 1726 novel Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift. One is Blefuscu. What is the other?
You have it? There, next one. Easy question.
Lilliput. That's Blefuscu and Lilliput. Spanish. Translate the sentence to English. Me gustaría comer algo. Old Harbour.
I would like to eat something.
Correct. Geography. The River Nile empties in which larger Titchfield?
Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, larger body of water. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this actor. Titchfield.
Morgan Freeman.
Morgan Freeman.
Correct. Information technology. What is the keyboard shortcut for bold on Apple? Titchfield?
Control B.
Control B.
No, on Apple computers, Command B or Command Shift and B. History. Who was President of the United States for most of the time of the American Civil War? Titchfield.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
Correct. Mathematics. How many times can you get 0.375 from 24?
From 24.
Titchfield.
7 times 8.
56.
Incorrect. 64. Physics. If a charge passing through a wire is 0.5 coulombs, then a current of 50 milliamperes will flow through that wire in what time?
In what
Milli?
time?
Milliampere.
Titchfield.
100
seconds.
No, 10 seconds. Sports. Look at the screen. Identify this former Jamaican Olympian. Titchfield.
Karen Stewart.
Karen Stewart.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Dog with 2. Titchfield.
Sleep without supper.
Sleep without supper.
Yes, too much master. And French. What is the English translation for Je suis désolé?
I am sad.
Old Harbour.
I am sad. I am sad.
No, I am sorry.
Next.
Literature. Who wrote the novel Gone to Drift? Old Harbour.
Derek Walcott.
Incorrect. Diana Macaulay. Art. In 1981, Jamaican artist Malika Capo Reynolds created a painting which was a wedding gift to Prince Charles and Lady Old Harbour.
Shining Spring.
Yes, what was the name of the painting? Bible knowledge. Which of the 7 churches of Asia in the book of Revelation was said to be located where Satan's seat is?
Yes, sir.
Old Harbour?
Pergamos.
Correct. Biology. Colilithias. Old Harbour?
Gallstone.
Yes, a scientific name of which condition in the body. English language. Which 7-letter noun means a confident, arrogant, or self-important gait or manner? And there's no time to answer that one. The answer would have been swagger. That's the end of the final challenge and in fact the end of our match. The scores at this time, Titchfield High on 29, Old Harbour High on 25. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.